Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Debbie and this is my crafty den. I have a little bit of a different video for you today. So this is kind of an unboxing. It's only one item, but I have an Amazon order to share along with a little bit of news. So in September this year, I decided that I wanted to try bullet journaling. So I grabbed this little bullet journal, and it says bullet journal right on the front, and it was $4 and it was from Dollarama. So yes, a dollar store bullet journal. And what I've found is that I like bullet journaling. I mean, I really do like bullet journaling, so much so that I'm switching out my planner system for 2023. So I have, for the last 7 years, I have done, has it been 7 years? It may have only been 6. Anyway, ever since I discovered Happy Planner, which has been a long time, I have had a Happy Planner, and I've used more than one planner because it's so adjustable and you can fit it to your own style. I've been using multiple planners, and along with that, I've been using the expander discs and kind of franken-planning various planners into one book system, and I've loved it. But what I've noticed is that I only decorate in one planner. All the rest are strictly for function, and I really don't need a Happy Planner for those different things. What I need is one concise system to keep track of my life, and I found the bullet journal system. So what I did was I went onto YouTube, of course, and I watched as many bullet journal videos as I could. And I kind of came up with a way to be able to create a system that was really functional for me. So in 2 months, I've got all of this in one little journal. And in here, I'm keeping track of my bills. I'm keeping track of my shopping. I'm keeping track of basically what I eat and how I feel. I'm keeping track of all the chores that I have to do and all the things that have to get done each day. And I don't feel guilty because if I don't get it done that day, I can just migrate it ahead to the next day because that is how this system works. So I really, truly love this. So next year, I will be getting one planner, a classic sized Happy Planner, and I will be decorating in that monthly. I'll be decorating in that weekly, and I'll be using it as a little bit of a creative outlet, and I'll be kind of keeping track of just how things are going. I may use it more like a memory journal for my life instead of trying to keep track of specific things in it. And I think that's going to make that fun. And this is how I'm going to stay on top of everything. So with all of that being said, I ordered some planners and I ordered bullet journals. And these are from a company called YeeATZ. I'm not even sure how you say that, but that's what it looks like. And I picked these two up because this week they came up on sale on that little bit of a pre-Amazon Prime Day shopping thing, and they were $13. Now these are regular $18, so I got 2 of them. I'm a fan of leather, so they are also 100 GSM premium paper with a dot grid. They are 5.25 by 8.25 inches. It says leather cover, and they have a pen holder. And what else does it say about them? I'm just going back and looking at my Amazon order here. So hardcover, that's the other thing that I liked about them. 128 pages. I ordered the black. But these also come in this wonderful variety of colors. So in the description, it says that they have a rounded corner so that it's easier to put them in and out of your bag. They've got a 5mm dot grid notebook. I just figured that if I was going to keep these and build up a collection, I would like a little better book than the one from the dollar store. But with that being said, if you're new to bullet journaling and you want to try it without the expense, go grab yourself one from the dollar store first and, make sure that you like it. That's what I did. I grabbed 2 of these, but I'm finding I love it, guys. So this also says that with this system, trying to get that so it's not glaring, that these will lay perfectly flat to write. That was key for me. So yes, regular price $17.99. The black one is $13.28 right now. So yeah, go to Amazon if you would like this, but I'm going to open these and I'm going to look at them and I'm going to show you. But look at this mustard yellow that is so gorgeous. And this, it says sky blue, but it's this gorgeous teal color, and a reef blue, the red, the gray, the navy. Yeah, I'm loving the colors. So if I like these books, then I don't know if 2 will get me through the year. I may have to use 3 to get me through the year. I was thinking with the small dollar store ones, 4 would get me through the year. With that being said, I'm really disappointed in Amazon. I got the notification that my parcel came. This is Sunday that I'm doing this. I got my notification that my parcel was delivered Saturday. It wasn't out there because they put my parcels by my back door. I don't use my back door that often. It wasn't out there when I went and looked on Saturday before I went to bed, which means they delivered it sometime between the time that I went to bed and I got up this morning, and that happens, except that here where I live in New Brunswick, it was pouring rain. And when I got up this morning, the bag, these were in a bag. They weren't boxed. They were in a bag. They didn't have any plastic wrap on them. They were just shoved into it was like a mailer bag from Amazon, thrown on my back step right under the drain pipe from my rain gutters. Yes. And then it started pouring rain. So these were soaked right through the delivery bag and into the inner package, and these were just shoved in the inner package like this. They weren't bagged, nothing to protect them from the weather. And yes, and I never got that. No, I picked these up off my back step before that notification came through. So these corners look dog-eared. That's because these were soaked in water and I had to wipe this off. Now, this is a nice kind of a waterproof outer material, but the inner material isn't. So let's open this up. I'm praying that the inside of these weren't damaged because the inside of this doesn't appear wet. I literally just wiped these off with a towel. So let me take this out of here. There. Oh, look at that beautiful cover. And it does look like leather. I don't know. It doesn't say that it's real leather, but it doesn't say vegan leather. It just says leather. So it could be a faux, but it feels really soft and leather-like. So it has the YeeATZ trademark embossed in the back here. It has, oh nice, it has an elastic for holding your book shut. It also has this expandable pocket here. Let's take that out. So yes, and the gusset of this pocket is like it's almost like a satin ribbon to allow it to expand really easily. I like that. That's my fingernails, guys. Yeah, the polish, sometimes I do that. That wasn't there just a second ago. So let's go back to the front. This is a pen loop as well. Now I just use in my bullet journal, I've been just using a very fine point, 0.7 millimeter studio ballpoint pen. I like these. They are a very fine tip, but they write really nice and they're cheap. I get them from the dollar store. So let's see. This is going to be tight. What if I do it this way? Very tight fit. But yes, my thin little pen will fit in here. So I like that. I like that I can grab my pen and open my book. I never open it unless I have a pen. It has a front page here, just 3 lines. Very simple. You can doodle on this. You could put a sticker on here and room for your name and your phone number if you want to. I tend to put my phone number in a small journal if I'm carrying it in my bag, because if it does get lost, I'd like somebody to call me and say they've got it. So let's take this one out from underneath and see exactly how flat this is going to lay. So very nice. I'm going to just kind of open this a few pages at a time and see if I can get this broken in a little bit. I do this with any new book. But yeah, so it does lay pretty flat. So I think this is not going to be a problem for doing my calendars and grids and lists or anything like that that's going to go over 2 pages. The paper is nice and heavy. It's actually quite lovely. There. So, once again, the front, and then here's the dot grid. It is lovely. It's just dark enough to see, but not dark enough to interfere with anything that you're going to write in here. It also has some markers here, so let's see what it has. It has a black, a navy blue, and a white page marker. I love that because I have been keeping just paper clips in the one that I'm using. I keep one at my future log. I keep one at the monthly layout that I'm doing, and I keep one at the page that I'm actually working on. So this is nice. I'll be able to throw this in and out of my bag. I mean, this is going to fit in my purse, which I really love. Then I'm going to be able to carry this with me everywhere. Yes. So I will share how I set this up for my year. This one is going to start for January the 1st, but I'll be setting it up long before then, probably sometime in November. I'm just going to open the other one really quick. I just want to take it out and make sure it wasn't water damaged in any way. No, it looks good, guys. It looks good. So, yes, glad that they're both okay. So, once again, and I'll put the link to these in the description box below, just in case you're interested. I thought it was a really good price. I was looking at some of the well-known name brand bullet journals, and they're so expensive. I don't want to pay $25 or $30. Under $15 was okay for me. I'm hoping that with this number of pages, these will do me 6 months each. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little reveal and the news that I'm changing my planner system for next year. I'm excited. I'm going to like this system, I think. Because I'm retired, but I'm busy, I don't need a work planner. I'm not a typical work planner, nothing to take to the office. But since I started doing this, I have actually been more productive in getting more things done. So I'm quite happy that these are in, and I look forward to doing this for the new year. So that's my news for the changing of my planner systems for the following year. I know I've mentioned it a couple of times in planner videos the last few weeks, but yeah, that's the official news. I hope you're as excited to see how this works out for me as I am to try this for a year. And yeah, so if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know if you use a bullet journal, a happy planner, a different kind of planner, or a different kind of system altogether. I would really love to hear from you guys. Your input is always very valuable to me, and I have gotten such good tips from my viewers. It's insane the things that you guys let me know about that I should have known and I didn't. So with that being said, I'm going to wish everybody a good day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now before you leave, and I'll see everybody in the next video. Bye-bye for now, everyone.